Hi, everyone. I'm Dr. Carolyn Mabry, and helping me out here today is my research assistant, Pippin. Today, we are going to be, ironically, talking about orange cats and the personality traits that are associated with orange cats, what we discovered in our study of 1,400 cats at the University of Maine at Farmington. We found that orange cats were rated the most agreeable by their owners, the most extroverted. And so agreeableness measures the degree to which a individual, a cat or a human, is friendly, trusting, affectionate, pro-social. Does your orange cat, if you have one, fit that stereotype of the friendly orange, or is he or she one of the rare disgruntled oranges that's out there? Fun fact, 80% of orange cats are male, like Pippin here, and 20% are female. But let's go ahead and take a look at I'm going to share my screen here. We're going to take a look at the data, see what we've found here. So I'm going to pop this on so everyone can see that. So we did have 1,475 cats in our study. And we were curious as owners of Pippin and then my another orange cat from my household, Calcifer here. Those seemed agreeable, but what would other people say about their oranges or their black cats or their torties? We did find that oranges were rated the highest, followed by tuxedo cats, followed by black cats in agreeableness measures. The lowest were tortoiseshells in terms of agreeableness. And again, we've got another image of an orange cat here. Little Pippin is playing with his ball here. Another image we have up on the screen is a photo of Peanut, Jeff Geese's cat, who is kind of going against the stereotype of the extroverted orange cat. We found that in our sample that orange cats were significantly higher in extroversion, but Jeff on All Orange Cats Share One Brain Cell on that Facebook page, he was reporting that I think Peanut was playing hide and go seek here, but this would suggest that his orange is a little bit lower on extroversion. So speaking of other personality traits and oranges rated lowest in neuroticism. Neuroticism is the degree of emotional instability that a cat has. And so oranges are known to be particularly emotionally stable cats. And I would say that's true about Pippin here. The most neurotic in our sample were Siamese cats, followed by black cats, interestingly. Next up, I wanted to put in a plug for a Facebook group that I think is, and talk about the stereotype of the Facebook group, a Facebook group called All Orange Cats Share One Brain Cell, where I found the picture of Jeff Geese's cat. This is just a wonderful community, 160,000 cat owners who have one or more orange cats. We posted a picture of Calcifer in this really humorous pose here. And one kind person, Beth Taylor, photoshopped a top hat and coat waist on Calcifer here. And this is the type of really lovely atmosphere that we find in many of these online communities where people are compatible and consensus seeking and supportive and just really lovely. So I want to thank Beth for that. But much of that Facebook page is devoted to kind of orange cats being a little bit on the derpy side, not very intelligent. And so sometimes, I want to caution folks, assuming it may be that, in fact, orange cats are less intelligent than average, but we have a lot of reports of just some amazingly intelligent orange cats who open up cupboards and drawers and play fetch, all kinds of things. And there's in psychology something called the confirmation bias, that when we have an assumption about a group of people or a group of cats, we tend to look for confirming evidence of what we're looking for. So we have not found any evidence. We haven't tested for intelligence and in cat colors yet. We have some, we think, valid assessments of personality, but we'll have to figure out a way to possibly assess cat intelligence. I think a lot of it has to do with how we would interview owners of cats and how they would assess intelligence. I think owners are pretty good at doing that. So a couple of things in the coming up in the comments. If you have a orange cat or a black cat or a famous cat that you would like us to profile, let us know. Our next cat that we plan to profile, Bryce is working on Grumpy Cat. A personality profile of that really intriguing cat that captured the hearts of so many people. I'm also working on a profile of an orange cat named Kurt, who has, I think, over 1 million followers on Instagram. And so we're working on that. If you have other suggestions for profiles you would like us to do, or other cat types, either cat breeds or cat colors, please let us know in the comments. In the meantime, have a wonderful weekend, and thanks for watching.